Did you know that swapping just one of your daily drinks could lead to 20 pounds of fat loss in a year without even working out? It's not about fancy detox teas or expensive supplements. The answer is much simpler, and probably already in your kitchen. We will present you with 5 everyday drinks to supercharge your fat loss. These aren't just empty promises. We'll show you all the research and explain exactly how they work. Did you know your morning coffee could be a valuable tool in your fat loss battle? It's true, but here's the thing. Most people aren't drinking it the right way. Let's tackle the debate around coffee. On one hand, you've probably heard that coffee can spike your insulin and lead to fat storage. On the other hand, fitness enthusiasts swear by their pre-workout espresso. So what's really going on? Research shows that caffeine can actually increase calorie burning at rest. Imagine burning extra calories simply by sipping your favorite drink. One study found that people who consumed coffee with 6 milligrams of caffeine per kilogram of body weight ate fewer calories throughout the day, essentially cutting out a snack or two without trying. However, timing and preparation are crucial. Drink it at the wrong time or add unnecessary extras, and you could lose all its benefits or even sabotage your progress. Now, you might be wondering, when's the best time to drink coffee in order to lose fat? Here's what you need to know. Drinking your coffee before a workout can enhance your performance and boost fat oxidation during exercise. It's like giving your metabolism a double shot of energy. Also, we need to mention that you shouldn't underestimate the power of how you drink your coffee. Loading it up with sugar and cream can negate all those fat-burning benefits. The key is to keep it simple. Black coffee is your best bet. But if you really want to add something extra, opt for low-calorie additions. Word of caution, too much caffeine, especially late in the day, can mess with your sleep. And poor sleep can throw your hunger hormones out of whack, potentially leading to increased appetite and unwanted snacking. So, what's the best way to use coffee? Aim for 1 to 2 cups in the morning, preferably before your workout. Keep it black or nearly black, and stop drinking it by early afternoon to protect your sleep. Now that you know how to make coffee work for you, are you ready to learn about another drink that will increase fat loss even more? But before we go to the next one, do you know which drink is the most consumed in the world, even more than coffee by a mile? The answer is tea, but the real question here is what type of tea exactly? According to science, the best tea for fat loss is green tea. This drink is packed with unique compounds that can help your body break down fat and use it as energy. These compounds that will help you lose fat are called catechins, especially one important compound known as EGCG epigallocatechin galate. A 2020 review in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences found that catechins actually stimulate your body to break down fat for energy. It's like having a personal trainer inside your cup, pushing your cells to burn more fat. But here's where it gets interesting. You might be wondering, is green tea better than coffee for fat loss? The answer isn't straightforward. Coffee provides a quick energy boost, but green tea works more subtly by targeting stubborn fat areas, such as the belly. It's not just about burning calories, it's about shifting how your body handles fat. The science behind green tea is pretty impressive. A study in the European Journal of Nutrition found that tea catechins significantly increased energy expenditure in middle-aged adults compared to a control group. What does this mean for you? Drinking green tea can help you burn more calories throughout the day, even when you're not exercising. It's like giving your metabolism a gentle but consistent nudge. You are probably wondering now, how much should I drink to see the results? The sweet spot seems to be 3 to 4 cups daily. It might seem that it's a little too much, but when you look at the benefits, how cheap it is, and how easy it is to make, it's totally worth it. But wait, there's more. Timing and preparation matter too. For the best results, try having a cup of green tea about 30 minutes before your meals or workouts. This can help boost your metabolism right when you need it most. And here's a pro tip. Brew your tea with water that's hot but not boiling, and let it steep for about 3 to 5 minutes. This helps extract the maximum amount of those beneficial compounds without making the tea too bitter. So yeah, green tea is indeed a powerful tool. But what if I told you there's a drink that doesn't just burn fat, it can as well help control your cravings and calorie intake? Additionally, to make things even better, it's something that we all have in the kitchen, but we never use it for burning fat. Some health experts are calling it nature's appetite suppressant. But here's the thing, knowing how to use it is crucial, because if you overuse it, you can actually sabotage fat loss efforts. So without further ado, let's talk about apple cider vinegar, or ACV. You might be skeptical. How could something so simple and common be so crucial for fat loss? Well, the science behind ACV is pretty impressive. At the core of ACV's power is acetic acid. This compound has been shown to boost metabolism, suppress appetite, and slow the rate at which food leaves your stomach. The result? You feel fuller for longer and naturally consume fewer calories without even realizing it. But that's not all. Acetic acid also helps regulate your body's insulin levels, a key factor in fat storage. By keeping insulin spikes under control, you're giving your body a better chance to burn fat efficiently. So, how much of ACV is enough? The sweet spot seems to be about 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, but don't drink it straight. It's highly acidic and can harm your teeth and digestive system. Always dilute it in water. Okay, but when is the best time to drink it? Studies suggest that drinking 30 minutes before meals is ideal. This timing will help you eat less during your meals and essentially prevent overeating, which can lead to increased fat storage. Here's a pro tip. If the taste of ACV isn't your favorite, try mixing it with warm water and a bit of honey. It's a simple way to make it more enjoyable. Or use it as a base for salad dressing to make it a seamless part of your meals. While apple cider vinegar is an excellent choice for fat loss, we're just getting started. Our next drink is so effective, it'll make your metabolism work like the engine of a supercar. And yes, it belongs to the tea category, but it's not green tea. It's something even more powerful. Can you guess what it is? The answer is none other than the incredible ginger tea. Did you know that ginger tea isn't just for soothing an upset stomach? It's a hidden gem when it comes to fat loss. And the reason why is that ginger has a special ability to boost your metabolism through a process called thermogenesis. This means your body burns extra calories just to produce heat. So, with every sip of ginger tea, you're jump-starting your metabolism into action. But that's not all. Ginger is also a natural digestion booster, reducing bloating and helping your body break down food more efficiently. And here's the interesting part. Research shows that ginger can help suppress your appetite and improve insulin sensitivity. This double benefit means you'll not only eat less, but also process food in a way that supports fat loss. It's almost like apple cider vinegar, but with more benefits. And the real question here is, how much ginger tea should I drink to see results? It's not about drowning yourself in gallons of tea. The key lies in consistency and proper preparation. Here's how to make the perfect cup of ginger tea. Start with fresh ginger. It's more potent than dried. Grate about a thumb-sized piece and steep it in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows enough time for the beneficial compounds to infuse into your drink. Also, if you want to enhance the flavor and benefits, add a squeeze of lemon and a teaspoon of honey. We now know how to make a proper cup of ginger tea, but what else are we missing to have the full benefits of this tea? That would be timing, because timing is everything. Try drinking your ginger tea about 30 minutes before meals. This can help curb your appetite and boost your metabolism right when you need it most. And don't forget to stay hydrated throughout the day. It amplifies ginger's effects. We mentioned the word hydration, and that would be the most important thing we want here, because we could drink everything we mentioned here and still get no results. Do you know why is that? The answer is simpler than you think. It's because without this final drink, all the others just wouldn't work. This drink is the foundation of fat loss, and the best part, you've been surrounded by it every single day, yet its true power remains one of the most underestimated tools for fat loss. So, what is this final, all-important drink? It's water. You might think it's just for quenching thirst, but it's so much more than that. Water plays a direct role in how your body burns fat, supports your metabolism, and even controls hunger. Here's something fascinating. Drinking water can increase your resting energy expenditure by up to 25%. What does that mean for you? Every time you drink water, your body burns calories just to process it. And if you drink cold water, the effect is even greater, as your body works harder to warm it up to your core temperature. Water works as a natural appetite suppressant, and studies show that drinking water before meals can significantly reduce calorie intake by filling your stomach, making you feel full faster and eat less without even trying. It's time to explain why water is important for losing fat. There is a process called lipolysis that requires water to metabolize stored fat into energy. Without enough water, your body can't effectively break down fat, which means staying hydrated is essential for fat loss. Imagine this. By simply drinking enough water, you're helping your body's ability to burn fat more effectively. And did you know that dehydration can actually mimic hunger? Many times when you feel the urge to snack, your body might just be asking for water. By drinking a glass of water first, you could avoid unnecessary calories. If you thought benefits stop there, you would be wrong, because water can also improve your workouts. Proper hydration boosts your endurance and helps your muscles recover faster, making it easier to stay active and burn more calories. Even mild dehydration can lead to fatigue and decreased performance, so keeping your water intake up is crucial. As usual, the main question is, how much water do we have to drink to see results? The answer is straightforward. A good rule of thumb is to drink at least half your body weight in ounces daily. For example, if you weigh 150 pounds, aim for about 75 ounces, or roughly 2.2 liters of water each day. We're coming to the end of the video, but don't forget, water may seem ordinary, but it's the foundation of everything we talked about here. Without it, the other drinks we've discussed wouldn't work as effectively. When you make water a priority, you're giving your body the support it needs to burn fat, control hunger, and function at its best. Important note, all of the studies and research we found about these drinks will be in the video description. Drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.